This is the way we are going to lay it out. Start with this one. So I'll use this one which is visible to mark right through. Right. Remember this one, I said I have to add the seam allowance here. Then this one, because it's a full circle, if I put it full like this, it means I'm going to end up with 4 pieces. So I have to have just 2. The lining, one for the lining and one for the main fabric. So it's like this. So this A, B, and C. So it means you are going to attach this here. You see, like this. And it fits, you see, from here up to here, like that. Then this one comes here on top. Right. So the same on the lining. The same thing, side of the lining. We just have to sew our seams. Section your thing into 4. So you join the brim also. Nips should go also on the 4 parts on the circle. Move, I have to fix like this stitching. So we'll leave this part open here. Right. So you put this down like this. So it's supposed to be in 4 parts. So you take this right side facing, goes here. As I've said, this nip to this nip. This is your lining, the inside parts. So we are going to do the same for the top. So we are going to join our seams. We divide into 4. The bigger one is this one, goes under so that the machine pulls it in. You ease in the top here. So you pull this here like this. Snip to this snip. Open your seam here. This one flat. You stop stitch. This is the top stitch I was talking about. This one. You take this one right side facing, you take the back seam again, you open it up and you place it on the seam also here, then you stitch. Nip this one here. This is I made it bigger so that even if I put braids it fits. It's like this. Like that. These 2 should match. So you put. I'm lifting the violin so that it don't give me problems when I'm turning it out. It will be flexible. This is the way we are going to use to turn out and out. So it's either you squash it like this and you just go like this. You take in what you have squashed in. So if you want to iron, you can iron. To shift this one sits here. So you just go around. come inside. You need to close here now. So it's a reversible head. So there's no need for me to put a label here because I can use it as a reversible. I may wear it like this today. Tomorrow I wear it like this. So let's close here. So you start by shortening the distance, stitching from inside, or making the hole smaller by continuing where you stopped until you cannot stitch again. You cannot stitch anymore. Right here, I'm continuing where I ended with the seam. Make sure you pull the under one like this. You can use a invisible stitch by hand, but if you are sewing bulk, there is no need. You just have to close so that you won't see that there was a hole. Just take it as a design. It's done.